Welcome to Common Faith Academy Quick Tips. Students that are enjoying our courses say they love working in tabs. If you want to try that, here's how to do that. I'm at the Common Faith Academy, and if I scroll down and get into the Exodus Plagues course, I scroll down a little bit more and I get to the Exodus Plagues and I hit enter. And when I hit enter, it automatically opens me up in a new tab. That's because I'm working on a browser that does it that way. If your browser doesn't do it that way, and we've noticed that Firefox and Chrome do not do it that way, we're going to show you how to do that in a second. Now, here we are in the class, and even if I want to do tabs here, if I click on 1.2, it scrolls down. What if I wanted tabs to come across the top here? Well, if I go back to 1.1, and if I hold the control key down on a PC or the command key down on a Mac, and then click 1.3 and 1.4, up here it opens up 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and I can do those tabs separately. Now, what happens if my browser doesn't do it that way? If I go over to Firefox and I click enter, and even if I try holding command or control key down, it does not open in a new tab. What happens here is it opens in a new window. Not a problem. Just enlarge the window if you want, and you can control click in here. So 1.1 is already highlighted here. I will control click or command click, depends on if I'm on a Mac or PC, and it will open up in a new tab here. So I will go ahead and close my first tab, and now I'm in 1.2, and if I want to hold down the control key or command key and then click 1.3, click 1.4, notice there is 1.1, and if I want to slide this so they're organized, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Also notice as I go through the course, it tracks my completion. It tracks my progress, how much of the course I have completed. That's what the course tracks. It doesn't track your answers, so if you see a question that you want to save, then you're going to have to write it down or copy and paste it into a word processor or something of that sort. So right now it tracks completion. It doesn't track specific answers. That's just the way it is set up. If you want a little more screen real estate, these three bars at the top will help close and open your window for you. And some browsers do it a little bit differently. You have to experiment. Hopefully that will help you on our tip for today.